everybody. It's me, Della Lazar with eXp Realty. Thanks for checking out Della's Corner today. Okay, I have something super unique. I am here at Live Oak Village in Ocala. It is a 55 plus condo community. Absolutely gorgeous. I have some folks who are selling their condo. These do not pop up very often. It is absolutely beautiful here, very well maintained. The HOA is $266 a month and it covers a lot. I'm going to run a banner at the end so you can see what all the HOA covers. It also covers the roof replacement. I mean, just everything. There is a golf course here. There is a lake over here. They have pool, they have clubhouse. I'll run all that for you at the very end. I wanted you to take a look at this listing. It's a little over 1,000 square feet, but the floor plan makes it look much bigger. This is a great opportunity if you don't want to live in some of our supersized communities. The HOA is great. I don't think the insurance is very much. Now, this particular one, they have 2 floors. This particular one is upstairs, but it has a few stairs and then it's flat and then a few more, very doable. So a lot of people here do live upstairs, and this particular condo overlooks the lake and the golf course. Spectacular view. I've also added some drone footage so you get a nice 360 of what this community is surrounded by. It's absolutely beautiful. And I will say, the pool is gorgeous. The trees here, if you really like trees, it's just so nice. And as you know, here in Ocala, we get a little bit of breeze all the time. The best thing about this condo is the price. It's $139,000. Wow! And it's beautiful. It's been maintained. So come take a look at this nice place over here in Live Oak Village. I really like it here. I think you're going to like this home too.
All I can say is, wow, this condo is absolutely adorable. And the floor plan, it looks so much larger and feels so much larger than it is. And hey, look at that view. Whew, you can't not beat that. I will have a banner running at the end of what the HOA covers and all the nice little things that have been done to this home since these current sellers have lived in it. What a great opportunity for anybody looking for a beautiful setting, a beautiful view, and you do have some amenities here. If you're interested in this lovely condo, just give me a call. I'll be happy to set an appointment for you. And hey, don't remember to click the bell icon and hit subscribe for more videos coming. Again, this is a great opportunity. This is a 55 plus, and there are so many things to do. It's right outside of this beautiful little town, and there is plenty of shopping. So give me a call. I look forward to talking to you soon. Bye.